Okay, continuing with probability, we're going to look at two-way frequency tables and just how to analyze data. So a two-way frequency table, there's that table right below here. That's what it is. And we're looking at like 238 people fit in both of these categories, action and 18 to 25. So you can represent two different categories with this. And then the probability we're also going to go over a little bit. It's marked with this P, and it's the odds. So if you have the total people you're looking at, like the total sample space, this is the total of that outcome. That's how you do a probability, and usually they're in fraction form. So it's pretty easy to use a frequency table. If you look here, you do want to get these totals here. It always has the categories listed across the top, including the total, and then the other events or categories listed across. So you don't want to put like action and then over here 18 to 25 because they can overlap. Like you can like an action movie and be in that other category of 18 to 25. So let's get the totals really quick. Go ahead and add those up. So I got 908 here. We got the next one. 14, 12, we get 680, and 3,000. So if I'm looking at what the probability out of everyone, so out of my total, how many people like action? Well, these people like action, these, and these. So we want the total. If I want comedy with horror, so I still look at 3,000 people in my whole study, and I just want the people that intersect. And if they don't intersect, that's okay. We still take all the comedy people, or sorry, not intersect, oh my goodness. This is a union. We take all the comedy people, all the horror people, we just add them together. There's no overlap, and so we don't need to worry about any of that. So we end up with 2,092. And we don't reduce these because we do want to look at how many people are actually in this. For the next category, we're just looking at all the 18 to 25-year-olds. So we look at the total for that row there. And then if you want to know like about how much it is, you can simplify it to 1/3. But you still want to know out of your total study for now. Okay, for this next one's a little tricky. There are 3,000 people in this study, and the 18 to 25-year-olds, we already said, are right here. So there's 1,000 of them. But we also want to know, we're going to add the action people that we haven't used. So we used these action people, and we're going to add these ones and these ones. So we're going to add the 350 and the 320. We don't want to add the 238 again, because they already got counted in this 18 to 25 column. So you're going to end up with 1,670 out of 3,000 for that. When we do an intersection, that's when you look at just where they cross. So 25 to 49 in comedy, so 25 to 49 intersect with comedy. So that is right there. Oops. 472. And that right there is 13.2. Yeah, I think that's all I put.